Got my broil bag, some potatoes, some lemon, some cayenne pepper. These are the seasonings I will be using in my broil sauce, okay? And I was going to make a homemade batter, but I opted out for this, for my shrimp, because, hey, it's the South. I'm going to fry some shrimp. I'm going to have some grilled shrimp, fried shrimp, boiled shrimp. And, you know, starting to feel like the Bubba's in Forrest Gump. And then I'm going to grill some corn and cut these potatoes. Those are going into the bag. Grill some corn. I think I need more butter, right? I don't think there's enough butter. 300 grams. I gotta count. I must add it up. Alright, so in mi cocina hoy, I'm going to make my first version of a seafood boil sauce.